So let's take a look at this exponential equation where the variable is up here in the exponent. So first of all, that's sort of different and, makes this a little more challenging. The next thing we want to see is, well, are the bases the same? But unfortunately, they're not. If these were both a base of 6 or a base of 36, that'd be great, but they're different, right? And so we need to rewrite these with a different base so that they match. This is called change of base. So you want to look at the larger number 36 and think, how could I write that as the base of the smaller? Sometimes you have to rewrite both of them, but you can probably see fairly quickly that, yeah, 36 could be written as 6 to what power? 6 what is equal to 36? Well, 6 squared is 6 times 6, which is 36. So if I change this 36 to 6 squared, then I still have that exponent of 3x minus 2 happening there. And the other one is just fine the way it is. Now our bases are the same. The bases are both 6. So if those are equal, that means the exponents have to be equal to each other. So we can kind of ignore the bases and let's just look at the exponent part. 2 times 3x minus 2 has to be equal to 3. So let's see if we can solve for x here. So let's distribute the 2 and get 6x minus 4. We'll add 4 to both sides. And 6x equals 7. And then we'll divide both sides by 6. And x is 7 over 6, right? I would leave it as a fraction. I wouldn't change it to a decimal or anything like that. Yeah, x equals 7 over 6. That's your answer. It's okay that it's a fraction. That's what happens sometimes. All right. I hope that helps you. See you in the next one.